find slope-intercept form of the equation of the line that is perpendicular to this line and passes through the point 2, -5. So there is a line whose equation is 4y minus 2x plus 7 equals 0. So we would like to write the equation of the line that is perpendicular to this line. So they intersect at a right angle, and this line passes through 2, -5. To be able to write the equation, we need to know a point here, and we need to know the slope of the line, which we don't know. So if we know the slope of this line, then we can write its equation. How do we find the slope? We first find the slope of this line. Let's write it in slope-intercept form. Isolate y. We solve this equation for y. So for y, add 2x to both sides and subtract 7 from both sides. So we get 4y equals 2x minus 7. And then we will divide both sides by 4. That's going to give us y on the left, 2x over 4, which simplifies to x over 2, minus 7 over 4. So just divide 2x by 4 and 7 by 4. 2x over 4 simplifies to x over 2. Okay, so whenever this equation is solved for y, the number in front of x gives us the slope. So in this case, the slope of this line is 1 over 2. Okay, so x is multiplied by 1 over 2, so there is just division by 2 here. So the slope is, let's call m1, the slope of the first line is m1. And if the two lines are perpendicular, the slope of the second line that is perpendicular will be negative reciprocal of this one. So remember, we flip and negate. So it is going to be 2 over 1, but also negative. So flip 2 over 1 and negate, which equals to -2. So once we found the slope of this line, then we found the slope of the perpendicular line, which is the negative reciprocal of this number. And lastly, we will write the equation of this line, whose slope and point we know. This is how the equation will look like. Slope, intercept. And we plug into this formula, y equals m times x plus b. The slope is -2, so the y coordinate is -5, which is on the line, and the x coordinate is 2. So for x, we will plug in 2. For y, we will plug in -5 plus b. So from here, we will find b. So -5 equals -2 times 2, which is -4 plus b. Just add 4 to both sides, you get b equals -1. So slope is -2, x, we found b to be -1, so we just plug in the value of b and m. Y equals -2x minus 1 is the equation of this line.